Good morning, everyone. Sometimes past, but here I am again. Today I start a sailing school to get an official license. Otherwise, I can sail, but I'm not allowed to enter some harbors, even some countries. I hope the wind is not so strong today, but here are the small boats. It's a sailing club in Limassol, CISC. They offer sail schools with an official license during the year. Other sailing schools have to charter a boat for giving practical lessons, but this will be too expensive, so all sailing schools are closed during the main season. But today, main season started. Lots of boats are missing now in the harbor. So these are the boats of the CISC Sailing Club. So I think the theoretic lessons will be taught there, outside on the table. The rest is an online course. I've detected some small things I didn't know before, so the course was not useless, and every refreshment of the knowledge is welcome, because I like to be confident when I buy an own boat. A small mistake can be very expensive, so I learned for myself, and of course these courses are to learn more. It's called IYT, International Yacht Training License. It's accepted on most parts of the world. It can be rewritten to an ICC, International Certificate of Competence. It can be simply rewritten, so the things I learned for the IYT are accepted for getting the ICC, International License of Competence, no, International Competence Certificate. I love this abbreviations. IYT means International Yacht Training. It's an organization in Canada who created this license. There is a second large license. It's called RYA, Royal Yachting Association. You can guess which country has implemented this. Of course, Great Britain, because British Empire was worldwide with their boats, robbed other countries. The sugar industry was one of the hugest part, West India Company, and so on. British people are everywhere, therefore English is the international language, as a reward to be so aggressive in the past. Some words in the sailing language are French, so when you get asked what is the sailing language, you can answer mostly English. Mayday came from France, and Pen came from France, and Securite came from France. These are the most important words you have to know when calling the message via VHF. Mayday means you are in an immediate danger for life. Pan means you have other difficulty on the boat, and you need help, but not immediately, because you are not dying yet, but it can be later converted to a Mayday. And the urgency message is called Securite. It's called when you see something dangerous in the sea, for example, a container, or you see where lightning happens and something else, you can inform all of us in the radio range. It's about 25 miles line of sight, when you can inform all of us about this danger happened. So after the video, I say over and out. No mistake. Over means you expect an answer, but we have a video, so I cannot expect an answer. Out means the message is over and I didn't expect an answer. So never say over and out. So I say goodbye, the video in the correct form. Bye bye everyone. Out. So, hello again. I survived it. It was not bad. With an unexperienced crew on a boat at about 12 to 20 knots. So, rough waves, but it all worked. Boats are racing boats, so they cannot capsize. I have some theory lessons about IYT, Mayday, Pan, and Securite messages. Quite interesting stuff, very important. So the repetition is not bad. Tomorrow the second trip is following. Now I have to work because I don't have a passive income, which means I have to work for my money myself. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.